Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update firmware version for a headphones Samsung Galaxy Buds3 Pro. You have to start by opening Galaxy application. Now make sure that your headphones connected to your device and scroll down. Click on earbuds settings. Now click earbuds software update and download and install. They check our version and we haven't it, but if we had, just click install and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!